Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you a 2010 185 Bayliner bow rider. Guys, this is a fresh trade, just took it in. Nice blue hull side with a white bottom. Comes with this trailer that it's sitting on, full-size tires. Guys, comes with a nice bimini top. This boat was just serviced, full service, comes with safety gear. Has the Mercury 3.0, hours approximately 200. You'll see on the back it's got two nice jump seats. Has a folding chair here. Looking at the helm, does have a bolster. Nice dash with a Bose stereo. All your controls. Walk-through windshield. Guys, overall boat's in nice condition, just serviced. This is a freshwater boat, always used in freshwater up here in upstate South Carolina. All the upholstery looks good. Guys, the boat does come with a full mooring cover. For more details, please visit our website or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you very much.